Transferring Apple ID balance, a myth or reality?
Hello viewers. Today we are going to answer a very popular question among Apple users. Can I transfer my Apple ID balance to another account? This topic is of interest to many, especially those who have switched Apple IDs or have balances left in old accounts. So let's jump right into it.
Understanding the Apple ID balance.
First, let's understand what we mean by the Apple ID balance. The balance associated with your Apple ID is the monetary credit that accumulates whenever you add funds directly, redeem Apple gift cards, or add funds from iTunes cards to your account. This balance can be used for purchases on the App Store, iTunes Store, and to buy iCloud storage.
Can I transfer my balance to another Apple ID?
Now, coming to the main question, can you transfer this balance to another Apple ID? Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Apple does not allow the transfer of your Apple ID balance to another account. This policy is consistent with many digital service providers who also don't allow the transfer of account balances.
What can I do instead?
So what can you do if you have balance left in one account but want to use it in another? The best option is to utilize the balance before switching Apple IDs. Use your remaining balance to purchase apps, movies, music, books, or iCloud storage. However, it's essential to remember that any purchases made with this account will remain tied to the original Apple ID and may not be accessible once you switch to a new ID. In conclusion, while it might seem convenient to transfer your Apple ID balance to another account, it's currently not a service Apple provides. Instead, try to use up your balance before switching accounts to ensure you're not leaving any funds behind. It's always good practice to keep yourself updated with the latest policies as tech companies frequently change and update their policies. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tech answers and updates.